Hello and welcome to Seaview Tech Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Office apps on your iPad using the new EdPass system. So firstly you need to grab the Office apps. You can either grab them from the self-service app or from the App Store. You'll need OneDrive, Word, PowerPoint and Excel. So if I open PowerPoint here, you can open any one, Excel, Word or PowerPoint or even OneDrive to sign in. And you'll want to hit existing 365 users. And on that, you'll need to enter your school email address. If you don't know your school email address, it's available to view on Daymap under the My Details section, or you can contact the school. And we'll enter that in here. The one that ends in .sa.edu.au and hit next. This should bring up the EdPass portal. But give it a second. And where you'll need to select your site, and we're obviously at Seaview High School, and make sure you tick remember my site, hit continue. Give it a second and it should bring up this page here. Now instead of logging in with your school email, you'll want to log in with your Daymap login, so your network account. So that's this one, the one that as the first letter of your first name and the whole last name, and your password by default would either be your birth date or your initials plus your student ID. You can change this password by using a network computer at school in one of the computer suites or seeing IT. Tick remember me again and hit sign in, and this should authenticate the app for us to be able to use. Again, you'll need to do this in OneDrive, PowerPoint and Excel. Once you've signed into one app, it'll sign in for the rest for you, and that'll say loading. Hit OK, turn on, allow, create and edit documents, and that should bring up, you're in the top left corner, your account. So there's my account with my email. And now if we open up Word, hit OK, it's logged into Word as well for us, and it should also do OneDrive. Oh, it's just thinking. Yep, it's logged into our OneDrive Department for Education. So that's how you log in and set up the new Office apps with the new EdPass system. Thank you for watching.